fam, it's Rachel. So right now I'm at the mall and I've literally stood here for 1 whole hour at this booth, and I've literally been speaking in tongues for the entire hour over it, and they sell occult items here. So one of the things that I noticed is that the first 6 minutes when I was praying in tongues, they had 5 different couples walk up. 1 couple purchased something, and then over the next hour only 4 more couples came up and they made another purchase. So what is that, 9 people, 9 couples in an hour, they made 2 purchases, and that whole bulk of them was right at the very beginning. But I've literally stood here for an hour praying in tongues over this place because these places are spiritual strongholds, and I want every single person to be aware that occult stuff is not something to play with. It is real, it is demonic, and we need to pray for these people. Every single person that purchased something was a woman with a child with her, and the seller actually has a baby and a child with her as well. It looks like a teenager or something like that. But anyway, you guys, it doesn't matter if people think that you're weird. It doesn't matter if people like notice that you're praying in tongues or whatever. Like, I'm not ashamed of the gospel of Jesus Christ, and we're called to pray for people. We're called to stand in the gap for people, and these people, they need saved just as much as the people that are buying their products. So anyway, that's what I wanted to share with you, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.